Saffron Indoor Farming, Step-by-Step Guide. Did you know you can grow the world's most expensive spice right in your own home, without soil, land, or even water? It's true. Welcome to the future of farming, right from your living room. How much money could you make by harvesting saffron without ever stepping outside? Imagine growing a crop worth thousands per kilo, all inside simple containers. Intrigued? Welcome to Prince Sam official channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide to starting Kesar saffron farming at home. 1. Setting up your indoor farming space. Choose the right containers. Use plastic trays or shallow containers with proper drainage. Lighting and temperature control. Saffron thrives in cool, dry environments. Ensure the temperature is around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, 59 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with access to 6 to 8 hours of sunlight or LED grow lights. Use saffron corms, not seeds. Purchase high-quality saffron corms, bulbs, online or from reputable suppliers. 2. Growing without soil. Set up a soilless system. Place the corms on a breathable material like coconut fiber or hydroponic mats inside your containers. Misting instead of watering. Saffron doesn't need heavy watering. Use a mist spray to lightly moisten the corms daily during the growth stage. Maintain humidity. Keep the humidity level below 40%, as too much moisture can rot the corms. 3. Fostering growth. Keep it dark initially. Saffron corms need a dark environment to start sprouting. Place the containers in a dark room for the first few weeks. Monitor growth. Once sprouting begins, move the containers to the light and adjust the temperature if needed. Patience is key. Saffron takes about 6 to 8 weeks to fully mature. Keep an eye on the growth cycle and avoid overwatering. 4. Harvesting. Harvest time. When the saffron flowers bloom, gently pluck the vibrant red stigmas from the center of the flowers using tweezers. Dry the stigmas. Air dry the harvested saffron threads on paper towels in a dark room for about 7 to 10 days. Store properly. Once dried, store your saffron in an airtight container away from direct sunlight to preserve its quality and aroma. 5. Selling your saffron. Market research. Saffron is in high demand for culinary, medicinal, and cosmetic uses. Research local and global markets to find buyers. Packaging. Present your saffron in small, sealed glass jars or elegant packaging to attract buyers. Online platforms. Sell through online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or directly to restaurants and specialty stores. You can also create a website to showcase your saffron farming products. Build trust with certifications. If possible, get your saffron tested and certified for quality assurance. This can increase its value and trust among buyers. And there you have it. Growing your own saffron at home is not only possible but also a profitable way to utilize your space and start a unique business. By following these steps, you can go from setting up containers to harvesting your own premium saffron and selling it for a great income. Remember, the beauty of this business is in its simplicity. No soil, no heavy watering, just quality saffron grown from home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Prince Sam Official loves you all.